Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Sifu game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already, using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into the store page, from which, in order to download this game, just click on the search box and then type in Sifu and start your search. Now, from the search results, once you find this game, just click on it and this will now take you into the game's info page. You may need to provide your age for verification, and after you do this, you can watch the trailer and the reviews. And if you scroll down, you will now see the various different options or the bundles that you can buy for this game. Choose whichever edition you would like to buy and then tap on the Add to Cart button. You can then click on the View Cart option and then continue forward to payment. Now, if you haven't already added a payment method to your account, you will be asked to choose one. Now, if you choose PayPal, for instance, then when you proceed forward, you will simply be asked to log in to your PayPal account. Just enter your credentials, such as your email address or your phone number, and then proceed forward by using your password. Once you are logged into your PayPal account, you can verify your purchase. And once your purchase has been made, the game will be added to your library, and you can now begin the download and installation of the game with a single click. After it is completed, you will find the play button, which you can click on, and you can also use the shortcut on your desktop in order to start the game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Sifu game on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.